clap.
Oh, that'd be nice. So with Aspen Stars, you had 3 movements, but you still kept it one song. What inspired you to make this 2 separate songs but record it together?
It's a less cohesive story than Aspen Stars. Both songs kind of can easily stand on their own. Is also just from a logistical perspective, just save time to just go straight through and end up with 2 songs rather than having to stop in between them. I always like it on albums when 2 songs naturally just go one from the other. I know like Blink-182's 2003 self-titled album, a lot of tracks do that, and I always thought that's really cool.
Would you consider that an influence for this album?
For sure.
When the song switches to Is It Love, the mood kind of changes and it almost has a little toe-tapping rhythm to it. How much thought did you put into that?
Yeah, I definitely wanted the Separate Your Feelings is a pretty serious, kind of sadder song, and I wanted to transition into something that was, like you said, kind of toe-tapping that you can kind of move to and more hopeful and optimistic.
Which part did you write first?
I wrote Separate Your Feelings first, and then my intentions were to write a bridge to that, because felt like I was like 3/4 of the way done with that song, so I sat down to write a bridge, and then Is It Love came out of that. So I've just, rather than writing a bridge for Separate Your Feelings, I just decided to go into that song.
Sometimes it's easier to just write a song instead of a bridge.
Bridges suck, man.
The song structure on this album differs between songs. You said White Buffalo is the most standard with like a verse, chorus, verse, solo. So what do you find to be more entertaining as a writer? To kind of adhere to the rules or to just kind of break them a bit?
There are definitely pros and cons of both. I feel like adhering to the rules can be hard at times, and sometimes you just kind of have to like discipline yourself to try and write something that adheres to the rules, because if this album was full of 10 Aspen Stars, that would just kind of be a self-indulgent, just jerk-off album. There are also times when I think if those longer songs naturally feel good, or feel like good songs, then it's acceptable. But I like writing both. I rarely sit down with the intention of, all right, this one's going to be a single,